How to fix Huawei Nova 13 screen won't turn on. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings. In settings, scroll down in last and then click on system and updates. After clicking on system and updates, you can see the option reset. Now click on reset and then click on reset all settings. After clicking on reset all settings, then again click on reset all settings. After reset the all settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.